Welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we will be making lemon blueberry loaf from the book Easy Does It.
Made some stuff from this cookbook before, but never this. So today, we're gonna make this lemon blueberry loaf. The first thing you're gonna do is preheat the oven at 350, which we have it going. You're gonna take a 4/8 loaf pan. You can grease that up. This is a silicone one, so we might not have to grease it, but we'll do that just in case. First step, large bowl. You are gonna take your milk, lemon juice, lemon zest, put it together. Then you're gonna add in your oil, applesauce, sugar, and mix it all together. And then you stir in the vanilla. And I'll give you the measurements as we go. Here you go, half a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, there goes a tablespoon of lemon zest. And now we are going to mix that up and add in a 1/4 cup of canola oil. Let's see, granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup. And then you're gonna mix that very well. And then you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 3/4 cup sugar in. Do 1/4 cup of our oil. 2 tablespoons of applesauce. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that up vigorously. And then we'll add in our other ingredients. Okay, now we're gonna sit in our flour, 2 cups, little at a time. And you're gonna also add in your 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And then your half a teaspoon of salt. And add in the other half teaspoon of baking powder. There you go, that's 2.5. And now flour, just a little bit at a time, and then we're gonna start mixing that up. And it should be a nice thick batter when you're done stirring it all up. And then you're gonna put it into your little 8x4 greased pan. We got our batter done. Let's see. Thick. Now we're gonna put 1 cup of blueberries in. Dump them in. There we go. You can use frozen or fresh blueberries. You're gonna mix these in, and then you're gonna put it in your pan and in the oven for 1 hour or until golden brown. And that's it. In we go for 1 hour. Now this is optional, but this is a glaze for the lemon blueberry loaf. You're gonna use a 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar, known as powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract.